Now let's extend this just a little bit and get a triangle involved in it. Stick me in it, whatever else. You'll notice that whenever we work on this, I'll always put TOA over here. We doing problems, I'll just write TOA over there. Why? Because that's my little scratch pad of sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. That's my little scratch pad, so I know what's going on. Now, let's take what we developed in the first clip, and let's look at this and see how this goes. We have a right triangle. C here is the right angle. A is up here. B is over here. Notice that small c segment is here, hypotenuse. B is opposite angle B or point B. Little a is opposite angle A or point A. So what we've got is what is known as opposite and adjacent is this. If I'm standing at A, what do I got? I got a little blue man and I'm standing at A, and this is blue, means I'm standing there. Well, if I'm standing at A, I can go down like this and I can go like that. This is a leg and this is the hypotenuse, isn't it? This leg is adjacent to me. Why? Because I got a hold of it. It's next to me. Adjacent. Next to. It is next to. I got it. I can touch it. Now the concept of opposite is it's over there. Notice that little a is opposite corner A because I can't touch it. Point A does not touch segment A. C and B touch segment A. Got it? Segment B, little b, is adjacent to A. Segment little a is adjacent to B. Okay? Alright? Understand that we use the point names to refer to the angle represented at that point. Okay? Now, the sine of A, the cosine of A, and the tangent of A is going to be taken from the perspective of you standing on point A. Now, let me give you some hints. You want to get this right and you want the easiest way. My suggestion is you just picture yourself standing on that point and looking across. And what do you see? Well, if you're standing there and you're looking across from you, the side you see across from you is little a. The side you got here on your right hand is going to be little b, and the side you got in your left hand is going to be the hypotenuse. Okay? Just get yourself figuratively into the picture so that you can see what's going on. And so if we're standing at point A looking across at my little segment, the sine of A is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. What's the opposite? A divided by C. Got it? The side I cannot reach divided by the hypotenuse. The cosine is going to be the side I can reach divided by the hypotenuse. And the tangent of A, standing on A, is going to be the adjacent side I can reach. The opposite side that I can't reach divided by the adjacent side. See, I go back here. Alright? Now, that's a little blue man. If you're colorblind, I'm sorry. You're SOL, sure out of luck. This is not going to work for you. Okay? But this is blue, in case you can tell that. Now, B, we're standing with a little green man, stick figure. And we're going to stand there. And on this one, what we're looking at is, I'm looking across at the opposite side. Okay? I can't touch it, so what I can't touch is going to be little b. That's opposite. The leg I can touch is going to be little a, and that's going to be in my right hand. So as I'm looking across there, over here on my left hand, on my left hand is my little a. My right hand is going to be my hypotenuse, or C. Okay? So I'm looking across over there. All right, now, the sine of B is little b divided by C. The cosine of B is little a divided by C. The tangent of B is little b divided by A. Now I wrote these this way so you can sit there and look at them. Observe what you may observe. Okay? Playing the video, I would suggest you stop it and just look and stare for a few minutes. See what those relationships are. See how they are related to each other. Okay? That gets you into it. Are you going to understand it? No. Just accept it. It's just like your grandmama making the best fruit pie you can imagine, or the best brownies, or the best cake. Do you understand how she can do that? No. You sat there and watched her do it so many times. You still don't understand how it comes out that way, because you try it and it doesn't work. Don't try to understand it and grasp it. Accept it. See what it is. Let it wash over you and see where it takes you, and you'll eventually understand what's going on. You'll notice that the sine of A is the cosine of B. Those two go together. We're looking at it from opposite directions. You'll notice that the cosine of the cosine of A is the sine of B. You'll also notice that the tangent of A is the inverse. Inverse. Turn it upside down. Switch the places. They're the inverse of each other. Okay? Now, there's also